Have you ever turned your key only to have the engine crank and crank without actually firing up? Or maybe it runs so rough that you are afraid it might stall at the next red light. When your car triggers the code P0345, it means the computer has detected a circuit malfunction with the camshaft position sensor on bank 2. This is a generic code that applies to all vehicles made from 1996 to the present day. And it is a serious one because your engine relies on this sensor to know exactly when to fire the spark plugs and injectors. Since the code specifically mentions the circuit, the problem could be the sensor itself, a broken wire, or even a fault within the powertrain control module. You will likely feel a significant loss of engine power and notice that the car is much harder to start than usual. Sometimes the issue is as simple as a connector that has vibrated loose over thousands of miles or a wire that has been chewed by a rodent. To fix this, you should start with a thorough visual inspection of the wiring and connectors on bank 2 of your engine. Use a meter to check for continuity and verify that the sensor is outputting the correct voltage while the engine is running. Interestingly, a failing crankshaft position sensor can sometimes cause this code to pop up as well. So you have to look at the whole system. If you find a damaged wire or a corroded plug, you can often just replace that small section of the harness to get back on the road. If the wiring looks perfect and the sensor is dead, then replacing the sensor is your next move. You should seek out a master technician if the car refuses to start at all, or if the sensor is located in a difficult spot like behind the timing cover, as that requires a lot of mechanical labor. Getting this fixed early prevents you from being stranded in a parking lot with an engine that simply will not cooperate when you need it most.